Dog. Puppy. A baby dog is called puppy. Cow. Calf. A baby cow is called calf. Cat. Kitten. A baby cat is called kitten. Cub. A baby lion is called cub. Hen. Chick. A baby hen is called chick. Sheep. Lamb. A baby sheep is called lamb. Calf. A baby elephant is called calf. Tiger. Cub. A baby tiger is called cub. Duck. Duckling. A baby duck is called duckling. Deer. Fawn. A baby deer is called fawn. Bear. Cub. A baby bear is called cub. Goat. Kid. A baby goat is called kid. Horse. Foal. A baby horse is called foal. Pig. Piglet. A baby pig is called piglet. Kangaroo. Joey. Kangaroo young one is called joey. Key. Foal. Donkey young one is called foal. Monkey. Infant. Monkey young one is called infant. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.